Busted.
Perfect.
So it's bloody hot, plaster's setting fast, so we're doing smaller hits for now and it's taking it a bit easier. Fuck me, it's hot, very hot. So tennis elbow has been kicking a stink and trying to avoid it, so I'm going to have more straps than arm. I've got my wrist strap, I'm going to have this strap on. Not in that sense, but yeah, something's got to give, so I'm going to strap myself right up. Yeah, it's getting to the point where it's getting almost a bit unbearable, so I'm going to strap my arms up. Who knows if it'll work. Has anyone used one of these before? Let us know in the comments, by the way. Anyway, nearly finished the wall, the ceiling, this little ceiling. The exciting bit is tomorrow with these sexy angles. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow getting these angles on and getting this room finished, because to me that is a lovely part of the job. We've got intricate angles like that and different shapes. That's what I love the most. despite it being hard on the body, despite it being a tough job, despite being strapped up, it's these jobs that I love the most. The ones with the angles, the one with the intricate detail, and that's why I really love plastering, to be honest. It's that stage where you're doing the intricacy. It's even, you know, all these years of practice leads up to this moment where you're working with the angles, wet angles, corners, and it's just what I get thrill out of the most, you know. That's what I enjoy doing, and that's what I love doing. So it's these jobs that make a massive difference to me in the plastering. So even though I'm strapped up, my elbow's killing, I still love it, and that's why I'll keep doing it, keep doing these videos.
Hello? Are you in? What's up, baby? What's up? Okay. Oh! What is it? You want it? I'm not doing your hair yet, where? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, you want to look at the camera?